want to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July. So if you do, then just keep on watching. Welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Cherise. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy or find it helpful. This channel has unboxings, product reviews, hair tutorials, and it'll have makeup tutorials, a lot of stuff in that area. And I unboxed a few other unboxings in the beauty area. Welcome back for those of you who are my current subbies and supporters. Thank you very much for your support and your views and comments and likes. I really appreciate it. So let's just get into what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna pop that open. So here's a little overview. The theme for Ipsy this month was Dive In. So that's the theme. And of course, if you're new to this, the booklets always have little pics of like what you received in your Glam Bag Plus. So the first product I see right away is this Pixie Glow Mist. It has propolis and argan oil in it. It's a nourishing mist. And so pretty much it says it's for all over the face for a glowing, luminous, smooth complexion. It's enriched with 21 natural oils. It has aloe vera and fruit extracts in here. You can use this before makeup. You can use it after makeup. Pretty much any time in the day, and you must shake it up really good before you apply. So yeah, I actually have used this a few times. So I must say I love using it with my makeup. I don't use it to set my face. I'm scared to do that. But I do like the glowy look it gives my face as I'm applying my makeup before I apply my makeup and stuff. So love this product. I'm glad I received it. Retail for $15. Okay, so the next product I'm going to pull out is another skincare product. And this one is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. I love this packaging, guys. Like, I know you love it too. Like, I love it. So this is what that looks like, and it smells great. And this product retails for $38. So really love this. I did use this before I applied anything else on my face after my regular skincare routine. And before applying my foundation, it definitely had my skin glowing as well. So both of these together did amazing in that area. Okay, so next product I received in my box was this. Turn this way. So this is the Naked Cosmetics. And these are pigments. It's a 4-piece set, and this 4-piece set retails for $40. But these are so nice. So these are all 4 of them. And these can be used in your nail polish, as a highlighter. You can put on with your lipstick. You can use it, I think you wet it and apply it for your eyeshadow. You can do so much with these. These retail for $40. Yeah. Crazy, I know. Next product that I love, I'm surprised I'm not even wearing it right now because I love it, but this is the Thrive Cosmetics Mascara. So this is the Liquid Last Extensions Mascara, and I really love it. The packaging is just bomb. Look at that. It's really heavy. Like, this packaging is so heavy. Like, you would think it snaps together like it's magnetic because it's like so heavy. I just thought it was like, I don't know why I would think it snapped together. But anyway, the applicator is really nice. Looking at the applicator, it doesn't look like it would do much, but it did for my lashes because I have no lashes, guys. Look, no lashes. So this mascara retails for $24. So then the last product I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was this Hooda Beauty palette. And I think it's like a 3D, yeah, it's called 3D highlighter palettes. Like, look at that. Look at the glow on that. That is just so freaking cool. So I did have it shattered, but it's not a big deal for me to call and say, hey, something was shattered. You need to send me another one. It's not that crucial for me, to be honest. I probably won't even use this that much because I already have a lot of highlighters that I love. So, but this is what it looks like. There's a prep, a set, a sculpt, and a flush for these 4 steps with these 4 things. I do love them. I am excited to actually use it on my face and see what I think as far as with my skin tone. So I can't wait to use this palette. I may even do an actual review, have its own video and do a review on this. Tell me what you guys think, if I should do that or not. But I kind of may just do an all over the face review on this palette. So this palette retails for $45. So I'm glad to have my very first Hooda Beauty product. Yeah, this is the last product. I probably would have its own video to review this palette for you guys. So tell me what you guys think about this Ipsy Glam box that I got for the month. Tell me what you guys got if you received this box already. And let me know if you're thinking about signing up. I want to know if this convinced you, like, you want to sign up, get your own makeup too. Like, these are some really great brands and products that I only got for $25. You can't beat all the products you get for just $25. And if you're not into the big size samples, there's always the $10 Ipsy bag that you get, like samples of stuff and like one full-size lippy maybe or something like that. But I got over that and I was like, I want some makeup now. So thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you did, don't forget to thumbs this up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified when I upload my next video. You guys have a wonderful day or night, and thank you for watching my video.